Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new course named Computer Graphics. Its code is ITech 4128. The course enables the students to create 2D and 3D designs, use animation techniques, and study advances in the relevant field. The main topics of this course are photo editing, creating and editing images, and image effects and graphics enhancement. Obviously, we will discuss all these topics step by step when we gradually move on this course. The course is very interesting and technical, which give you insight that how computer and its hardware process the graphics to prepare final resultant image for the appearance on the screen of any digital device. So keeping the nature of the course in mind, we will introduce computer graphics in our mind and then move on. So this is an introductory lecture which consists of 5 parts which help you to understand the concept, use, evolution and types of computer graphics. So let's start and move on. So here is the definition of computer graphics. What is computer graphics? Computer graphics generally means creation, storage and manipulation of models and images. Images आपके 2D भी होते हैं और 3D भी होते हैं. 2D image 2 dimensional जिन्हें आमतौर पे हम ग्रे स्केल इमेजेस कहते हैं, और 3D images 3 dimensional जो कि आमतौर पे कलर इमेजेस होते हैं और RGB फॉर्म में होते हैं, means red, green and blue. Therefore, daily in your life you deal with images and models. Models are basically architectural designs of any building, auto cars, etc. Thus, handling these models and images digitally is known as computer graphics. Such models come from diverse and expanding set of fields including physical, biological, mathematical, artistic and conceptual abstract structures, which you will normally interact with your daily routine life. At the right side of the figure, at the right side of the slide, you are seeing the figure below. The figure is representing the artwork, which is a frame from the animation generated by William Latham to govern patterns of natural forms. Computer graphics is evolved in 1960s by William Fatter. He termed computer graphics as new design methods while he was pursuing at Boeing for cockpit ergonomics. Ergonomics is a process for designing or arranging workplaces, products and systems so that they fit the people who use them. So William Fatter uses the concept of ergonomics to create a series of widely reproduced images on pen plotter, exploring cockpit design using 3D model of human body. William Fatter, with the help of computer graphics, tried to resolve and try to create coherence between cockpit and human body. So researchers thought that the best way to define computer graphics is to find out what it is not. It is not a machine, it is not a computer, nor a group of computer programs. It is not the know-how of graphics designer, a programmer, a writer, a motion picture specialist, or a reproduction specialist. But vice versa, computer graphics is all these, which is a consciously managed and documented technology directed toward communication information accurately and descriptively. So everything on digital device you are seeing are computer graphics. In a simple way, dear student, let's think computer graphic into interactive computer graphics. Interactive computer graphics are sometimes known as real-time computer graphics and in certain context real-time rendering. For clear understanding, what is rendering? Rendering, also known as image synthesis, is the automatic process of generating a photorealistic or non-photorealistic images from a 2D or 3D model by means of computer programs. This will be discussed in detail in the later stages. So come to the point, what is interactive computer graphics? User controls contents, structure and appearance of object and their displayed image via a rapid visual feedback. There are basic three components for interactive computer graphics system. Number one, input, example mouse, stylus, multi-touch, in-ear fingers, etc. Number two, processing and storage of the underlying representation model. Number three, display or output, example screen, paper-based printer, video recorder, etc. First interactive graphics system was developed in MIT Lincoln Lab, which used TX2 transistorized mainframe and given a name Sketchpad. The owner of this software is Ivan Sutherland. The figure at the right side of the slide reflects the use of computer graphics in old ages. In this slide, few characteristics of Sketchpad is shown that is taken from PhD thesis of Ivan Sutherland. Students, you can read out yourself, it's not too much difficult to understand. Another computer graphics approach is batch computer graphics. This type of approach is mostly used in films to generate special effects, simply called as effects, within the film for thrill, action and so on. This type of computer graphics technique is also known as non-interactive batch mode technique or offline rendering, which is used for final production quality video and film. For example, a film, Finding Dory, came in 2016, which is a 24 frame per second movie or 24 FPS movie. This movie cost 53 hours on a 30,000 core render farm. Important thing is, what is render farm? A render farm is a high performance computer system, a computer cluster built to render computer generated imagery or CGI, typically for film and television visual effects. The left side figure on the slide shows still image from Finding Dory, and the right side figure on the slide shows Pixar render farm, where special effects have been added in the final production to produce quality video film, Finding Dory.